Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Daily. I'm Wilbert.
And I'm Donna. Welcome to day 6 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge. You've come so far already.
Yesterday, we talked about family, and families do many things together, especially
Eating together. Today's topic is food and meals.
this is a big topic, so today's lesson is a little longer. More sentences, more practice, more fluency.
Let's begin. Sentence 59. I eat breakfast in the morning.
Listen carefully. I eat breakfast in the morning. Again, I eat breakfast in the morning. Now it's your turn.
Excellent. Sentence 60. I eat lunch at noon.
Repeat after me. I eat lunch at noon. Again, I eat lunch at noon. Wonderful.
Sentence 61. I eat dinner in the evening.
Repeat. I eat dinner in the evening. Again, I eat dinner in the evening. Great job.
Sentence 62. I am hungry.
Listen carefully. I am hungry. Again, I am hungry. Excellent.
Sentence 63. I am thirsty.
Repeat after me. I am thirsty. Again, I am thirsty. Nice work.
Wilbert, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs, I eat bread, and I drink coffee. How about you?
I eat rice, I eat fruit, and I drink orange juice.
That sounds healthy. A good breakfast gives us energy.
That's true. I feel stronger after breakfast.
Pronunciation tip. Let's stop for a quick pronunciation tip. Listen to this word, hungry. Hun-gry. 2 syllables, not Hungary, just hungry.
Let's try another one. Breakfast. Breakfast. We don't say break and fast separately. It's one smooth word. Breakfast.
Great. Now let's continue our conversation. Practice conversation, part 1. Donna, do you cook every day?
Yes, I do. I cook every day. How about you?
Sometimes I cook dinner, but sometimes I order food.
Me too. I like pizza, I like chicken, I like vegetables.
I like rice. I like fish. I like fruit.
Donna, are you thirsty right now?
A little. I need water. I drink water every day.
That's healthy. I drink tea in the morning. I drink water in the afternoon.
Donna, do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food. Do you?
Not really. It's a little too hot for me.
Everyone has different taste. Sentence 64. I like sweet food.
Listen carefully. I like sweet food. Again, I like sweet food. Excellent.
Sentence 65. I don't like sour food.
Repeat after me. I don't like sour food. Again, I don't like sour food. Wonderful.
Sentence 66. This food is delicious.
Repeat. This food is delicious. Again, this food is delicious. Great job.
Sentence 67. This food is fresh.
Listen carefully. This food is fresh. Again, this food is fresh. Excellent.
Wilbert, what is your favorite fruit?
I like bananas and mangoes. What about you?
I like apples and grapes.
That's true. This food is delicious. This food is fresh.
I agree. This food smells good.
Grammar tip. Let's talk about a small grammar point, like and don't like.
We say, I like coffee, and I don't like tea.
Don't means do not. It's short and easy to say.
Let's practice. I like rice. I don't like spicy food.
Very good. You can use this pattern for anything. I like. I don't like.
Sentence 68. I need a fork.
Listen carefully. I need a fork. Again, I need a fork. Excellent.
Sentence 69. I need a spoon.
Repeat after me. I need a spoon. Again, I need a spoon. Wonderful. Sentence 70.
Can I have some water, please?
Repeat. Can I have some water, please? Again, can I have some water, please? Great job. Sentence 71.
This is delicious.
Listen carefully. This is delicious. Again, this is delicious. Excellent.
This sentence is very useful. You can say it at a restaurant.
Or at home, or with friends.
Yes, it shows you're enjoying your food. People love hearing it. Practice conversation part 2.
Donna, do you eat with a fork or with your hands?
I usually eat with a fork, sometimes with a spoon too. How about you?
Same here. I eat with a fork and spoon, especially for rice and soup.
Wilbert, do you like soup?
Yes, I do, especially in the evening. It's warm and comforting.
I agree. Soup makes me feel good.
Donna, what do you usually drink with your meals?
I drink water, sometimes juice. What about you?
I drink water too, and sometimes coffee after dinner.
Coffee after dinner? That's interesting.
Yes, it helps me relax.
Sentence 72. I am full.
Listen carefully. I am full. Again, I am full. Excellent.
Sentence 73. That was a great meal.
Repeat after me. That was a great meal. Again, that was a great meal. Wonderful. Sentence 74.
Thank you for the food.
Repeat. Thank you for the food. Again, thank you for the food. Great job.
This sentence is a polite sentence. You can say it to your family or to a friend who cooked for you.
Exactly. It shows kindness and respect. Full conversation example. Tell me about your day of eating, Donna.
Sure. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat rice and fruit. I drink orange juice. I eat lunch at noon. I like chicken and vegetables. I eat dinner in the evening. I like spicy food. This food is delicious. I drink water every day. And after dinner, I am full and happy.
That sounds like a wonderful day. My day is a little different. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat eggs and bread. I drink coffee. I eat lunch at noon. I like rice and fish. I eat dinner in the evening. I cook sometimes. Sometimes I order food. This food is fresh. This food is delicious. Thank you for the food. Listening practice.
Now, just listen. Don't repeat yet. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat lunch at noon. I eat dinner in the evening. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I like sweet food. I don't like sour food. I like spicy food. This food is delicious. This food is fresh. I need a fork. I need a spoon. Can I have some water, please? I drink water every day. I am full. That was a great meal. Thank you for the food.
Shadowing practice. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat lunch at noon. I eat dinner in the evening. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I like sweet food. I don't like sour food. I like spicy food. This food is delicious. This food is fresh. I need a fork. I need a spoon. Can I have some water, please? I drink water every day. I am full. That was a great meal. Thank you for the food. Fantastic. Practice questions.
Now let's practice with some questions. I'll ask and you answer out loud.
Question 1. What do you eat for breakfast?
Pause the video and answer. Take your time.
Question 2. Do you like spicy food?
Answer with yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Question 3. What is your favorite meal? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Great job answering. The more you speak, the faster you improve.
Review. Today you learned many useful English sentences about food and meals.
Now you can talk about breakfast, lunch, dinner, and your favorite food.
You also learned some grammar, like and don't like, and some pronunciation tips too.
6 days completed already. You're building real fluency. Keep going.
Before you leave, tell us in the comments, eating face, what is your favorite food? For example, I like chicken. I like rice. This food is delicious.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Talk Daily, and share this lesson with someone who is learning English too.
We'll see you in day 7.
Keep practicing, keep smiling.
And keep speaking English. Bye, everyone.